What is CCOI? CCOI is an acronym used in Montessori education to describe four essential developmental skills: concentration, coordination, order, and independence. These skills are not always directly taught through instruction, but they develop naturally through the child's work and the prepared environment. In Montessori classrooms, every activity has both a visible purpose and a hidden purpose. The obvious goal might be something simple, like pouring water or buttoning a shirt. But beneath that activity, the child is also developing important life skills, such as concentration, coordination, order, and independence. Concentration grows naturally as children repeat practical life activities. These lessons are designed to be real and purposeful, which draw children in. As they repeat the work, they become deeply engaged, often focusing for extended periods of time. This deep engagement builds the foundation for sustained concentration. Coordination begins with very simple actions, such as carrying a tray carefully from a shelf to a table. Over time, children refine their movements through activities that involve pouring, spooning, polishing, and other fine motor tasks. These movements help develop both physical coordination and control. Order is another important element of CCOI. Montessori classrooms are carefully prepared environments where materials are arranged in a logical way, often from left to right, top to bottom, and from simple to complex. This structure helps children develop an internal sense of order that supports both thinking and learning. Independence develops as children gain the ability to complete activities on their own. After the guide presents a lesson, the child is free to practice independently. Over time, they gain confidence and the physical skills needed to care for both themselves and their environment. Practical life activities are the foundation for developing CCOI. Tasks like pouring water, buttoning clothing frames, sweeping, and preparing food may appear simple, but they help children refine movement, build independence, and strengthen concentration. These lessons also prepare children for real-world experiences. By learning practical skills, children gain the ability to care for themselves and contribute to their environment. This builds confidence and encourages them to take an active role in their daily lives. CCOI is essential because it supports the development of foundational skills that children use throughout their lives. Through concentration, coordination, order, and independence, children build the habits and abilities needed for learning, problem solving, and personal responsibility. CCOI reminds us that even the simplest activities in the Montessori classroom serve a deeper purpose. Through practical work, children develop concentration, coordination, order, and independence, skills that support their growth in every area of life. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and follow us on all of our social media platforms for more Montessori content and inspiration. Until next time, have a great day.